Now, people will forgive a slight, soft, or overexposed image, but they will not forgive bad audio. So today I'm testing out the Neewer CM28 Pro wireless microphones, and these might just be the best budget microphones that I have ever tried. And they are around $80, but I have seen them on sale go for like $66. Okay, so we're gonna try out and see what the difference is in audio quality coming from my iPhone 17 Pro and then from the CM28 Pros. And I'm gonna hook that up right here to my chest. I got my dishwasher blasting over here in the side, so we'll see. And also, on top of that, my whole entire room is not obviously sound treated. I have like tile flooring, so this is like probably one of the worst environments. And by the way, I'm going to be using these cables right here. This is of course included. This is the USB-C to 3.5 millimeter jack input. This is going to go into the receiver, and then this goes into the iPhone. So I'm gonna hook that up right now and let's see what it sounds like. So yeah guys, this is what it sounds like right now coming from my iPhone. Now, I suspect that a lot of people that are going to pick up the CM28 Pros are probably going to be using it with their phone. It is definitely a step up from what the iPhone can do, especially when you're far away from your phone, like just vlogging. You have your phone on a tripod like I have right now, and you just wanna be, I don't know, 15, 20 feet away. Well, that's when these come in absolutely handy. And of course also the wind muffs. The wind muffs are going to be a big deal because obviously with the iPhone 17 Pro, there's like no way to attach a wind muff, and you get that with. So in the box, you get 2 transmitters, you get 1 receiver. You also get a cable for the new iPhone, Android phones that accept USB-C, and you also get a cable for the old iPhones and your charging cable, and also a cable to transfer your audio clips from the microphones into your computer, but I'll get into that in just a minute. You get built-in recording, you get noise cancellation, and you even get a safety track feature. And all of that for $80, and I have actually seen them go on sale for like $66. That is a crazy value, okay? So just so we can all hear how well they sound, I'm going to be doing this entire talking head video with these microphones. Obviously, you got one of the receivers here, you got the transmitter hooked up to my XH2S via just a standard microphone jack. There's nothing, no special processing. This is what they would sound like when you just pop them right out of the box. So what I like about these is that right away, as soon as you take them out of the little plastic box, which is also, by the way, it is a charger as well. So this little thing will not only charge your receiver, but your transmitters, of course, as well. And it just houses everything nice and neat. But as soon as you take everything out of the box, they automatically pair. There's nothing extra that you need to do. And that is amazing when you're on a paid shoot and you don't want to mess around with frequencies and all these different like wireless connection points. They just automatically connect, okay? So if you are somebody that's just getting started, okay, in videography and just audio quality, this is such an amazing thing because the last thing you want to do is fumble the ball when you're on a paid shoot and something is not connecting, something's not working right. These are very simple to use, okay? So let's talk about the features. Let's dive in. So these have some features that only come in higher priced microphones. So yes, of course, they can record internally. They have 4 gigs of storage per microphone, and that's good for about 60 minutes worth of recording. So you can literally take these off and just kind of record somebody else. And also on top of that, think about redundancy, right? You have an internal track being recorded into your microphone and also one recorded as part of your clip. So if one of them is not good, like it happened to me a couple of times where the actual camera was not recording any audio, well, I'm okay because the audio track is right here. You also have the ability to connect multiple devices at the same time. So obviously you have 2 microphones, 2 different devices, and then you have your receiver picking everything up. These microphones also can record a second safety track. The second safety track is a super nice feature because these are 16-bit float. They're not, 32 where you can just play around with audio if it ever gets clipped. These will actually record a secondary safety track that's recorded at -6 decibels less than your original track. and that's going to save you from any clipping. Now, they also feature noise cancellation. Okay, so the noise cancellation works if you're recording internally into the microphone and also if you're recording externally into your camera. And the noise cancellation, the way it works is you just have to press and hold the button. You'll see a blue light start flashing, indicating that the noise canceling is active, and it's also active as you're recording inside into the microphone. Oh, another thing real quick, if the light stays blue, that just means that the noise canceling is active when you're recording into an external device like my XH2S right now. And of course, I know noise canceling is only one part of the equation. If you're outside and it's very windy, don't worry, Neewer does include 2 wind muffs for the microphones. As far as range goes, these have solid range of 200 meters. 200 meters is like, that's like 500 feet, okay? I have never in my life been 500 feet away from my wireless microphones. I'm like, the furthest I've ever been is like 20 feet, and that's to get a special like shot. So to me, that is not anything spectacular. I don't care if these wireless microphones go to 1,000 feet or 1,000 meters. Doesn't matter to me. 200 feet is good enough for me. So the real reason why I wanted to make this video is because I know when you go on YouTube, you see a lot of like very expensive equipment being shown to you that costs, you know, hundreds and hundreds of dollars, okay? You can get high quality audio for under $100, okay? These are $80 normally is what they go for. But like I said, I've seen them go on sale for like $66, and now we are in the holiday season, so I am very confident you're probably going to see them for around that price range on Amazon and all these different vendors. And when I first started off, you know, the selection of what was available was just like tremendous. And at the time, I didn't have, you know, a whole lot of money to go out there and spend, you know, $300-400 on a wireless microphone. So if I had something like this back then, you know, 8 years ago, this is definitely something that I would have picked up. Absolutely. It's just a no-brainer at the price range. And for all the features that it offers, like I said, the internal recording, that's really not a feature that you see in microphones priced in this range. The second, you know, safety track, that's not really something that you normally see in this price range. Active noise canceling, that is not something you see around this price range. So Neewer really made it very budget friendly and just accessible to a lot more videographers that are just starting out and want to get into better audio quality. So yeah, are they worth that money? Absolutely, in my opinion, they are worth it. And yeah, guys, that is it for me today. If you have any questions about these microphones, I am more than happy to help you. And if you like content like this, please consider subscribing, because I absolutely love talking to everybody about just camera gear, audio gear, you know, lighting and everything. I just absolutely love it all. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.